Do you want to learn how to draw a food truck? This lesson will take about 5 minutes. You'll focus on basic shapes like a long rectangular roof and circular wheels. Start by outlining different parts of a food truck, such as its body and service window. Then you'll add details like signage and a menu. Remember, it's all about practicing these steps carefully. By following along, you'll learn how each part fits together. Take it slow and enjoy creating something special. Draw the roof. Outline the body. Form the wheels and bumper. Outline the window. Add the service window. Draw the menu. Outline the mustard. Draw the signage. Color the food truck drawing.